Clariant Catalyst Solutions. Catalyzing sustainable change with zeolites. With innovative zeolite catalysts, Clariant helps to make products and processes more sustainable in many industries. Turning cooking oils into green jet fuels with Clariant's zeolites. Air travel is one of the hardest sectors to decarbonize. With our zeolites, used cooking oils from homes, restaurants, and industry can be turned into sustainable aviation fuels. Long-chain paraffins derived from the oils are rich in energy, but to burn well in jet engines, they are too straight. AEL-type zeolites sieve out and transform these paraffins. When charged at special active sites, their structure becomes branched in the presence of hydrogen. Branched isoparaffins burn more efficiently and cleanly, ideal for recycling-based and efficient airplane fuels. Using MFI zeolites to create carbon-neutral plastics. Conventional plastics production emits large amounts of greenhouse gases. Now there is a better way with zeolites. These porous crystal catalysts enable a chemical reaction that turns plant-based alcohols into the building blocks for plastics. The MFI-based catalyst helps to convert ethanol into the desired olefins, mainly ethylene and propylene. One of the chief byproducts is water. The plant-based, renewably made olefins can then be turned into net-zero plastics. Reducing air pollution with Clariant's zeolites. Industrial processes emit a wide range of pollutants and greenhouse gases. These emissions include nitrogen oxides and nitrous oxides. Zeolites help remove these polluting compounds. Modification with iron makes beta-zeolites highly catalytic. After mixing with ammonia, the nitrogen oxides enter the zeolite cages and the molecules react with each other. Nitrogen, water, and oxygen atoms form new bonds, resulting in nitrogen and water, both harmless components of clean air. With over 50 years of experience in zeolite innovation, Clariant provides specialty zeolites that can make energy-intensive production processes substantially more sustainable. Our integrated global network delivers solutions that are tailored to our customers' needs. Together, let's work to realize the renewable future the next generation deserves. Let's connect to discuss how our expertise in zeolites can empower your sustainability goals.